Good morning, my dear students in grade 5. This is Mr. Abdullah speaking. I hope you are all okay and staying home safe. We all miss you so much. I know it's a difficult time, but we all hope things will get better soon. In today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about your English project. I've sent you a Word file on School Everywhere, which contains all you need to know about your English project. Now, as I promised in this Word file, I'm going to explain today all you need to know about your English project. So, first, you need to understand what is the project about. We have taken this project before. It's about choosing a story and discussing it from 4 items. Okay? Now, I need you to open your Reading Book Wonders, this book in front of you on the screen, and you will find our story in Unit 6. It's called The Bully, in page 396. Okay? This is the cover of the story. What I need you to do is to read the story carefully more than once. Don't read it one time, no, read it more than one time, okay? And if there's a difficult word you don't understand, you can check your dictionary or find the meaning of the word on the internet, okay? But read it more than once. The story, as you can see, is easy. The bully. You may have heard the word everywhere, and I choose this topic because you can talk about it easily. Okay. After you read the story, we're going to talk about how to do the project. Now, as you can see in front of you on the screen right now, the project is divided into two parts. A written file and an audio file or a video. What does this mean? It means you're going to send me a written file on the program Microsoft Word, and you're going to record an audio or a video as you like, okay, and send it to me. Now, what are we going to do in each part? We're going to talk about this right now, okay? So let's know that this project has two parts, a written file and an audio file or a video, okay? So let's talk about first the 4 items that I'm going to talk about in the story. We've taken this before. We are going to explain the summary, the genre, the theme, and character analysis. So, as I said before, in the written file, you're going to talk about 2 items of the 4 items in front of you. So if we choose, for example, the summary and the genre, we're going to write these in the written file only. Okay, we're going to write 1 paragraph only about the story in my own words. I don't want you to copy from the internet or make someone copy for you or write for you. No, write it in your own simple words. Okay. Number 2, talk about the genre of the story. You tell me what is the genre of the story, what is the features of this genre, and evidence from the story to prove that it's what you said. Okay, so for example, if you say it's a realistic fiction, you tell me what are the features of realistic fictions, and you prove to me from the story, choose a part which prove that this story is a realistic fiction. Okay, like if it has real characters, mention the characters and that we can find them in our real life. Okay, this is in the written part. You choose 2 items. In the audio or the video, you're going to record yourself talking about the other 2 items, the theme and the character analysis. In the theme, you're going to tell me the theme of the story, and we said the theme is the main idea of the story. So you're going to tell me what is the main idea of the whole story, what is the story talking about, and you bring me evidence from the story to prove that this is the theme. Okay, so for example, if it's kindness, prove to me that the whole story is talking about kindness, or whatever the theme is in the story. Okay, you're going to do it yourself, and it's easy. Just read the story more than once. Okay, character analysis. The fourth item is to describe the characters in the story in your own words. Okay, we have like 2 or 3 characters. You're going 3 characters, so you're going to describe them. Tell me about their appearance and their personality, like we did before in the descriptive writing. Okay, so these are the 4 items of the story that you're going to do in the 2 parts of the project, the written file or the audio file or the video. So let's talk about the parts of the project in details. First, the written part. Some of you will ask me, how many pages should I write in the Word file? Just 1 page is enough. Okay, you're going to include either 1 or 2 items in a Word page. So why did I say 1? Because some of you may write the summary in the whole page. Okay, some of you may write the summary in the whole page. So that's enough. If you did it like this, that's enough. Take the other 2 items and explain them in the other part, in the audio or the video part. But if you wrote 1 paragraph and there is a space to write the genre, do it. Okay, but just write 1 page only to tell me about the summary and the genre of the story, for example. Okay, you want to start with the theme and the character, no problem. Choose 1 or 2 items, okay, to fill the whole page. Okay, you have to write a full page. Okay, only 1 page about the written part, which will include 2 items of the story. Here you will find on the screen, do not repeat the items in the second part. It means if you talked about the summary and the genre in the first part, do not mention them again in the second part. Talk about different items. Okay, so in the first part, for example, the written part, you're going to talk about the summary and the genre. So in the second part, which is the video or the audio part, talk about the other 2 items, the theme and the character analysis. Okay, I hope you understand this well. So this is the written file. You will type it on Microsoft Word only. I don't want you to write on a paper with your own handwriting. No, type it on Microsoft Word. Okay, now the audio or the video part. This is the second part of the project. Okay, I need you to record an audio or a video. It's up to you. Whatever you like best, do it. Okay, if you like to record an audio, it's okay. If you like to record a video, it's okay. Okay, make this video not less than 2 minutes. 2 minutes are enough. Okay, but not less than them. Okay, so the limit here, not less than 2 minutes. You're going to choose 2 items different from the one you chose in the written part. Okay, so you're going to either record an audio file or a video. Okay, and talk about 2 items different than the one you wrote in the written part. I hope this point is very clear to you. Now that we have understood how to do the projects, the next question is how to send the project. Okay, there are 2 ways to send the project. First, how I'm going to send the written part. You can send me, you will send me the written part on School Everywhere on the assignment icon. Okay, I'm going to send you the assignment. Okay, and you're going to reply sending me back the written part that you have done. Okay, what about the audio or the video part? You're going to send me this part on a WhatsApp group that I'm going to make later. Okay, it's called the English Project Group. I'm going to add everyone in the class on this group, and you're going to upload the audio or the video part that you have recorded. Okay, so how to send the project again? We have two parts. The written part, you will send it to me on School Everywhere on the assignment icon. Okay, so here, just to make it clear, the written part, you will send it on this website, School Everywhere, and you will send it here on the assignment icon in front of you on the screen. What about the audio or the video part? You're going to send me this file on a WhatsApp group. What is the name of the group? I'm going to make a group called English Project Grade 5. Okay? I'll just add all the students of grade 5, and I don't want you to comment or talk. Just send the video. That's it. This group is not for any discussion. It is just for sending the project. If you have any questions, you can contact us on School Everywhere or on the WhatsApp group of the teachers and the students. Okay? If you have any problem or if you have any questions about the project. Okay? Okay, so now let's talk about the deadline of the project. Okay, you have enough time to finish this project. You have until 15th of May 2020. Okay, until 15th of May. So you have enough time to do more than 3 weeks, or you have more than 1 week to do the project. Okay, so it's enough to finish the English project. Okay, now let's talk about some important notes that you need to pay attention to. First, the project, okay, both the written part or the audio video parts must include the student's name, grade, name of the story, and name of the items. What does this mean? It means when you send me the written file, you're going to write this information on the file. Okay, the name of the student, the full name, the grade, what is the name of the story, the items that you are discussing in the story. Okay, name of the student, grade, story, and items of the story. Okay, don't send me the file just explaining the ideas and without no names. I will not take it like this. I need you to write your name in order to understand whose project is this. This is to guarantee your right to have your marks. Okay, so I need you to send me your name, grade, story, and the items that you're discussing in the written part. What about the audio part? The same. You're going to tell me in the recorded audio or the recorded video what is your name, your grade, the name of the story you're discussing, and what are the items you're going to talk about in this video or in this audio file. Okay, as I've mentioned before, use your own words to explain the story, to explain the summary, the genre, the theme, and the character analysis. I don't want you to copy from the internet. Do not copy. Okay, I need you to do it yourself. Use your simple words. Okay, anything you say that is explaining the story will be accepted. Okay, something else. So we said do not copy, no cheating from your other friends, and do not repeat the items. It means if you choose two items like the summary and the genre in the written part, choose different items in the audio or the video part. The last thing we're going to talk about is repeated projects will not be accepted. Okay, it means do not I don't want to find two projects copied the same. I want every student to do the project on his own. All of you are very smart and you can do it on your own. Just use your simple words and read the story more than once. If you have any problem, if you have any question about the project, contact me at any time and tell me what do you need, and I'm going to help you, and you will do the project and send it to me like I have told you on this video. Okay, I hope you all understand. I hope you all understood everything about the project. If you have any questions, tell me about them and contact me on the WhatsApp group of the teachers and the students. Thank you very much and see you soon.